Guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Good to see you guys today. Okay, today what we have for today is um to teach to showcase how we do our oatmeal pancake. So come along with me. Come along with me and see how you're going to prepare your yummy oatmeal pancake. Come and see it. Come and see. Come and watch the video. Don't forget to love, share, subscribe. We love you. Come and watch. Oatmeal pancake, our oatmeal, our egg, our yogurt, and our banana. So we'll start blending. These are oatmeal. Before chief of staff will go make us a make okay, he don't die. And they just these are banana. Then our yogurt, our egg is there. So that you continue to change your domain. For instance, this is fuel high campaign. Then we cover that blend and make sure everything is smooth. Then we'll pour. Then after that, we find that oatmeal is ready. It's ready, and we are digesting it with our fruit juice made up with cucumber, banana, and orange. Bye.